Hey, it's Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I know you're here because you want to know if you should be buying this or not. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to unbox it, set it up, play with it so you can see, come back, give you a Doug score from 1 to 5 so you know whether you should be getting this super cool looking F-22 Raptor or not. What do you say we open it up, see what it comes with, we'll charge it up, take it out and fly it. So just a little story while I open it up, I'm cruising around on Amazon looking for fun things to play with because if you've watched it all on the channel, there are a ton of drone reviews and stuff, and I was like, ooh, let's try a little plane. And I saw this and I was like, oh, that looks amazing. Let's get it and play with it. So I bought it, hit the old button, you know, so you hit that button and it comes the next day. Oh, look at that. Okay, so let me just show you what's in here. Comes with an instruction manual, which I have not read yet. Pretty healthy size controller. Comes with batteries, that's always a plus for me. I hate when they don't come with at least a basic set of batteries so you could open it up and start. Here we have a USB charger adapter for what I'm assuming is an internal battery and one F-22 Raptor. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick break, charge it up, read the instructions, and then let's put it in the air. Okay, here it is, the completed pre-flight, still in perfect condition plane. The wind seems pretty quiet today, but it might be a little too windy for this little thing, but we will find out. I have myself a runway here, but it has crosswind, which I don't think is the best, but like I said, we're gonna try it anyway. I have it paired up with the remote controller. Ooh, it sounds cool. I read all the instructions. Should we try runway style or should I throw it? I think we should throw it, right? That makes the most sense. Here we go, ready? Uh-oh. Okay, we crashed, but not that bad. Okay, it seems to want to go vertical and then kind of come straight back down. Wants to do flips, but not fly straight. Let me examine it. Okay, some crazy shadows. It's getting a little late in the afternoon. It is still in one piece actually, and it still really looks good. The nose definitely has taken a couple shots. I will say the trick to this, if you want one, is you need to fly it when the battery's a little dead. It is much less sensitive, kind of can't do as much, that kind of stuff, but if you want it to stay up in the air and be controllable, half dead battery is perfect. Overall, I have to give this, I'm only gonna give it a 3 out of 5 because as an adult who flies a lot of things, found this intriguingly difficult. Like, it was entertaining for what it is and what it costs to try to get it to stay in the air and survive, but it is definitely not like, oh, let's roll out in the backyard and fly the plane, because it is hard to keep it up in the air in the most minimal wind. I mean, there's a little bit of wind. I'd be interested to try it when there's no wind, but we're in Florida here, there is never no wind. So in any case, that is my review. 3 out of 5 on the Doug score. Definitely fun for what it costs, and I think it just looks cool. See you next time.